Welcome to this explainer. Have you ever had this brilliant, sweeping, totally movie quality scene just play out in your head, but, well, you have absolutely zero video editing skills to actually make it a reality? Yeah, you definitely aren't alone there. Today, we're cracking the code on exactly that. We're going to explore how you can generate breathtaking, cinematic videos using literally just your imagination and a ridiculously powerful platform called HALUI AI. We'll be using this setup to guide us through the entire process, breaking down the exact source material so you can start creating immediately.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is the step-by-step, zero-to-hero journey we are taking today. Welcome to HALUI AI, setting up your account, creating videos from text, bringing photos to life, free credits and subscriptions, and finally, downloading your final video.
All right, kicking things off with Section 1. Welcome to HALUI AI.
So what is this tool, right? Basically, HALUI AI is an advanced AI platform that transforms simple text prompts and static photos into dynamic, high-quality videos. And listen, this isn't just about slapping a cheesy filter on a photo, not at all. Think of it as the ultimate bridge between whatever is in your imagination and a highly polished video file that's ready to be shared with the world. And when we talk about high quality, we are talking actual movie quality. You can generate videos with these epic, dramatic styles. We're talking scenes that literally look like they were pulled straight out of Game of Thrones. It's wild to think about, but imagine having the power of an entire Hollywood studio living right there inside your web browser.
Moving right along to Section 2, setting up your account.
The setup process here is completely 100% frictionless. Step 1, just open the HALUI AI website or use their dedicated mobile app if you're on the go. Step 2, log in with a standard Google account. And Step 3, boom, you are immediately dropped right into the main creation dashboard. Whether you're sitting at your desk or messing around on your phone, you are literally seconds away from creating.
Which brings us to Section 3, creating videos from text.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is a fantastic pro tip from our source material regarding language barriers. HALUI AI works incredibly well with English prompts, but let's say you're thinking in another language, like Urdu. No problem at all. Just speak your ideas into a chatbot like ChatGPT or Gemini. Ask it to create a detailed English prompt for you, and instantly you have perfectly optimized instructions. Language is completely removed as a barrier to your creativity.
So once you have that perfect English prompt, the actual workflow is incredibly straightforward. Step 1, generate your prompt using that AI chatbot we just talked about. Step 2, grab that text and paste it straight into the Type Your Idea box right at the top of the HALUI AI interface. And Step 3, simply hit the Create button. Seriously, that's the whole shebang. You are quite literally just copy-pasting your way into generating a cinematic video sequence.
Let's switch gears a bit for Section 4, bringing photos to life.
You are definitely not stuck using generic, boring stock media here. You can actually upload your own personal photos, or even images you've generated in other AI art tools to use as the foundation for your video. A selfie, a picture of your golden retriever, a vacation snapshot, any of those can become the star of a dynamic, moving scene.
Let's walk through the exact example provided in our source material. Step 1, upload a photo directly from your device's gallery. Step 2, write a remarkably simple prompt. You don't always need to write a massive, descriptive paragraph. The source uses the example of just 3 simple words, kid jumping video. That's it. Step 3, click Create. By combining a static photo with just a few basic descriptive words, the AI totally understands the context and generates a full moving video sequence based entirely on that original image.
And this brilliantly illustrates that while the platform is super easy to use on the surface, it definitely doesn't lack depth. For those of you who want way more control over the final product, there are advanced customizations. You can try out different underlying AI generation models, you can actively adjust specific camera angles to dictate exactly how the virtual camera moves through the scene, and you can apply various visual presets to dial in the exact mood you're going for.
Let's talk logistics in Section 5, free credits and subscriptions.
So, the crucial point is, every single user gets 30 free credits to start experimenting immediately. You don't even need to pull out a credit card to see if this tool fits into your workflow. You can jump right in, totally risk-free.
Of course, when you're weighing your options, the trade-offs are pretty clear. On the free tier, you are going to experience noticeable wait times, the final video will feature a visible watermark, and every generation eats into those 30 initial free credits. Contrast that with the paid tier. you unlock instant generation, and probably the biggest deal for professional creators, there's no watermark. So it's your classic trade-off, right? It all comes down to your time, your budget, and how polished you need that final output to be.
And finally, Section 6, downloading your final video.
Okay, the heavy lifting is done. Once you've clicked Create, here are the final steps. Step 1. Simply wait a moment for the video to fully optimize. Step 2. Preview the final cinematic result right there on your dashboard. And Step 3. Just click that simple down arrow button to save the video directly to your device. From there, the video is yours to drop into an editor, share with friends, whatever you want.
Which leads us perfectly to our final thought for today. We have seen just how incredibly accessible this all is. Guys, if you can type a sentence into a box or upload a simple photo from your phone's camera roll, you essentially have the power to make a movie. The technology is no longer the barrier here. The software does all the heavy lifting for us. The only real limit left? That's your imagination. So, looking at everything we've just learned from this explainer, what cinematic idea are you going to bring to life first?